Hello, this is Adrian Matthews at Taste Restaurant in Nashville, Tennessee. Today we're going to talk about drinking vodka. What you'll need to drink vodka is vodka, a small glass, and if you're going Russian style, a little bit of relish. We'll talk about that more later. There are literally millions of ways to enjoy vodka. You can mix it with any type of fruit juice or combinations of fruit juice. You can mix it with soda water or tonic. You can throw a little olive brine juice into it and make it kind of dirty. You can throw a dash of scotch into it and make it smoky. The traditional Russian method of drinking vodka is to have a spoonful of some type of pickled relish. This is a corn and tomato relish because it's summertime and I'm in the South. And then follow it with a shot of vodka. Keep you warm on those Siberian winter nights.